In my classroom, I collect data by using a spreadsheet of pre-assessments and post-assessments given to students to see their growth at the beginning of the unit versus the end of the unit. Additionally, I also give weekly quizzes to help drive instruction. I notice that if there's a large number of students who get a question incorrectly, then I ask myself if it was the wording that tricked students or if I didn't teach it in a way where students could really understand. Then I will use that data to drive my instruction for the following week. Additionally, every week our team has data meetings where we look at our data to problem solve. For instance, if I have a lot of successful students who did well on a test, I might be able to share some tips with my colleagues so when they're going back to reteach that skill, they have a different approach that works for students. Listening and working together to go through data is important because data-focused programs think using data improves instruction significantly, according to the Benefits of Data-Driven Education article by Mark Hawley. For math and reading, I create a large bar graph that I post in the goals section of my classroom. Before each test, I have students come together to set a goal for what the class average should be. Once the test is over, I fill out the information. If the class exceeds the average, then the class is rewarded. If not, we brainstorm ways that we can improve. By posting these bar graphs, it's creating a visual support for students and increases motivation for students to reach their goals, as mentioned in Chapter 4 of Robler and Hughes' textbook, Integrating Education Technology into Teaching. Data is one area that I'm trying to grow in this year. I have 2 goals for myself. I would like for students to collect data individually on themselves so that they can see their progress, and I would like to improve on collecting data during my reading groups.